Looking grown is a vibe, but looking frumpy and tired when you're not is absolutely not right. Let's be real. I am approaching age 40. In October, I turned 39, and I've started paying serious attention to the little details that elevate us rather than age us. So if you're in your late 30s or beyond and you want to look modern, confident, and stylish and not matronly, then this video is for you. Number one is outdated cuts. Are you still wearing low-rise bootcut jeans from 2006? Those cuts scream stuck in time and they pull a whole outfit down. Instead, swap those for high-waisted, straight leg or even wide leg trousers that tend to elongate your legs and elevate your silhouette. Look for pieces from Levi's, COS, Zara, or even Mango's tailored denim. Number two is drowning in oversized clothing. Oversized outfits can really be cool and comfy, but when everything is super baggy with no balance, that can actually be hiding your figure and will not be flattering at all. Instead, do volume with intention. Try slouchy blazer with straight jeans or even wide leg pants with a front tuck or even having the entire top tucked in. Let your silhouette show at least a little. Balance is key, not bulk. Number three is wearing matchy sets. This screams old school style. Having coordinated leopard print tops, pants, bags, shoes, everything looking all matchy at the same time gives 90s anti-realness vibe, and not in a good way. Instead, break this up and mix and match tones and textures like satins and denim or even a knit top with tailored trousers. It looks thoughtful and stylish. Number four is wearing dark or faded colors. Yes, black is classic, but wearing faded or dark tones can make your face look shadowed and tired, especially in front of the camera or in a low light. Instead, try colors that suit your skin tone: olive, camel, earthy tones, you name them. And these would instantly elevate your style. If you've been guilty of one or more of this, welcome to the club. I feel the same. This is not about shame, it's in the shift. So let's keep going. Number five is shiny, cheap fabrics. That clingy polyester cheap satin looks fine on the hanger, but in real life, it clings in the wrong places and it highlights what it shouldn't be highlighting. Instead, go for elevated materials like cotton poplin, crepe, linen blends, you name them. These skim the body and even feels a lot more expensive than they actually are. Number six is overly trendy pieces. If you're rocking all the TikTok trends or basically the entire social media trends all at once, that could be you doing too much. Instead, pick one statement trend and mix it up with timeless pieces. Think cropped blazers over straight leg denim or pants and add modern sneakers to this. It instantly elevates your look. Trends equals seasoning and not the entire meal. Number seven is worn out basics. That stretched out tee, worn out sweaters, faded denim, all of this is definitely doing you no favors. Instead, invest in basics every season. A sharp white tee, clean denim, whether blue or black, add neutral knits or colors that suit your tone. They instantly elevate everything. Number eight is wearing the wrong bra. If your outfit isn't sitting right, it might actually not be your outfit. It might be the bra. Get a professional fitting for your bras or at least measure yourself at home. A good bra can instantly lift your bust and posture. The right bra equals instant facelift. It's not always about trends. Sometimes it's the little details you can't even see that make the biggest difference. Let's talk about details. Number 9 is outdated footwear. Chunky sneakers, square toe pumps, even chunky clogs, or super old ballet flats can instantly date your outfits. Try the minimalist heels, pointed flats, modern loafers from Zara, Everlane, Mango, you name them. They've got amazing options that feel comfortable and stylish. Number 10 is makeup mistakes that adds years to your age. Makeup should actually lift and not age us. But sometimes the reverse is usually the case. Adding so much foundation or having too much contouring done on your face could actually add so much age to your actual age. Instead, use lightweight skin tints like NARS Light Reflecting or even Fenty Ease Drop. Lift your look and not your age. We are not trying to look 22. No, at least I'm not trying to look 22. We're trying to look the best version of ourselves. Aging is a gift, but frumpy is a choice. And guess what? You can age and stay elevated. So glow up, tweak with intention, and show the world how fierce 30s and 40s can actually look. And that brings us to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much and bye.